guys, my name is Rumi and welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today I'm going to share with you which crochet hooks are available in the market and which ones do I really prefer. So this video is going to be all about crochet hooks. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first one which I'm going to show you are these aluminium ones. These are one of my favorites. I really like to crochet with these. These are available in any Hobby Lobby store or AC Moore or Joanne or Michaels. And if you don't live in US, I'll share a link with you. That's an online link and that's the website where I get my hooks from. And I would suggest when you're buying hooks, get them in sets. See, I have like a big bunch of hooks which I got online. That's a kit, and that way it's much cheaper. The second set which I'm going to share with you are these wooden hooks. As you can see, these are my second favorite set of crochet hooks. I really love them. I enjoy crocheting with them, and as you can see, their hook, it's like, it's very nice. And I mean, when I crochet it, like the yarn goes quite easily and fastly when I use this hook. And the third set of hooks which I'm going to show you are these, and these are like, the handles are made of wood but the hook is aluminium. As you can see, these are my least favorite. I got these because it's very comfortable to hold when you're crocheting. It's really comfortable, but then I find the aluminium ends of these hooks, these particular ones, not that good. When I'm crocheting, sometimes my yarn gets stuck and I have difficulties while crocheting with these, but I have kept these just for emergencies. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. So in my next video, I'll be sharing which different sizes of crochet hooks are available and what can we make with those. So please keep on tuned for that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and happy crocheting. Bye bye.